Hello, everybody. Welcome to Year 5, Miss Cheryl's mathematics class. Now, before we start, do repeat after me. I love mathematics. I love mathematics. Yay. So today, we're gonna learn about, ta-da, decimal numbers. Before I teach decimal numbers, let's recap whole numbers. Examples of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up until infinity. You probably learned these numbers in kindergarten, don't you? Now, let me test you whether you know your whole numbers well. Look at this number line. Where can you see whole numbers? Yes, 0 and 1. And can you see in between 0 and 1? In between 0 and 1, it is divided into 10 equal parts. So each part is 1 over 10, which is what we call 1/10 of the whole. Do take note of the TH here. Okay? 1 over 10 equals 0.1, 2 over 10 equals 0.2, 3 over 10 equals 0.3, and so on. Now, what are these numbers that I circle in green called? You are right, decimal numbers. In case you're wondering, why 1/10 equals to 0.1, it is because 1/10 is basically 1 divided by 10. All right? How about these? What are these called? Remember, these are fractions. Okay? Oh, it disappears. Okay, these are called fractions. We call it a fraction because it is a fractional part of a whole. Take a look at your ruler. Let's count together. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1 or 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2, 2.1, and so on. You get the idea. Remember, there are 10 equal parts in between each whole number on your ruler. All right? Can you see the line for 0.5 being slightly longer? 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, all the 0.5s slightly longer. Do you ever wonder why? So smart. That's because the people who invented ruler are smart people. They want to make it easier for you to read it at a glance. Because 0.5 is exactly in the middle of two whole numbers. Take, for example, 3 and 4. If you want to find 3.7, you can find it easily because you know 3.5 is here. Okay, so this is how you write the decimal numbers in words. 0.1, 0.1, 1, which is a decimal number in between 0 and 1. 2.6, 2.6 is a decimal number in between Which two numbers? Yes, 2 and 3. 95.1. 95.1 is between 95 and 96. That's right. Now, this slide is basically a repetition of what we learned about the ruler, where in between two numbers, two whole numbers, there are 10 equal parts, which we call them decimal numbers. And if you want to find 2.6 on your ruler, it is right beside 2.5, which is here. This is what we call decimal numbers. Okay, this is what we call decimal numbers, and this is what we call fraction number. 2 and 6/10, which is the equivalent. So in short, decimal numbers are a way to express fractions in a different form. All right. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. You are doing an excellent job. Say it with me. I am the best student. See you in the next class. Bye.